This is the elevator at Quail Springs Mall here in Oklahoma City.
Yeah, exactly. I could just look over and be like, yeah, one of my part-timers made like 35, $35 an hour last week.
Not in my store.
You're upset too right now. I get that actually before I leave. I like the Euros from here specifically because they have the hot sauce.
Yeah, one thing worth noting about this elevator, it looks exactly like the glass elevator at the Tucson Mall. Almost very identical to it. Even the exterior looks like it too. We're gonna get off here.